as we start packing up, there's a certain order to everything. Some things have to go in before other things, and sometimes that can be a pain. Like the box has to go in before I put the chairs in. The box can't go in until I take the table down. So little things are having to be done in a specific order, or else it won't fit. If you see what I mean in there, these chairs go on top of this table, of the box right there, and that's how they go in there. Getting road ready is a process. Everything's got to go in a specific place and in a specific way, just for everything to fit.
It's not bad. We do well.
Even the dog.
Look at our couch cover. My gosh.
Yeah, she's making a mess. Yeah, what was that?
If you have a dog with anxiety, you know how that can go.
Yeah. She has panic attacks, and it was raining last night.
She broke into our room.
Yeah.
We've tried to break her from sleeping with us, and it's not going so well.
We love you, but you ain't sleeping with us.
You can show the IKEA bag in a bit.
And this big, huge IKEA bag that cost $1 at IKEA is what we put laundry in. We're gonna just do the laundry back at home instead of doing it here, because we're kind of rushed to get out of here. See, the vacuum cleaner's got a specific spot that will stay put on the road. Everything's got its place so that nothing will fall or get broken. As you can see, this site is not very long at all. I'm glad we've got a small camper, but we were still poking out the back a little bit. And in order to hitch up, I'm going to have to be out here in the road. Am I ready to dump the dump?
The black tank, yes. I have. Don't pull power and don't dump gray yet.
Well, I'm gonna wait till I'm ready to dump gray. I don't want any crap sitting in there long.
Well, let's go ahead. If you want to make coffee, let's do that. Bathroom, office, and bedroom have been swept, mopped. I'll probably go over this main area just a little bit more before we're done.
Okay.
But we're about 90% there.
Okay.
Slides in, as you can see.
All right. Well, I got to put the slide lock in.
Yeah, I know. So, and then I'll just take her for a walk while you're hitching, and
all right.
We're about there.
I'm glad I've got the sidewinder here. It keeps the hose elevated enough to make sure all the flow stays where nothing gets stuck. Okay. Moving day is a busy day, at least at first. Most of the stuff on the outside of the camper's already done. I'm going to take his trash, and I'm going to go ahead and fuel up, and that will be all that's left to do before we hitch up. But we met a lot of other full-timers here, some really great people, and the way we're doing it this time is totally different than how we did it before. Before we were kind of mooch docking in Lisa's uncle's his backyard, and we're not going to have that this time because her uncle doesn't live in the same place anymore. But it's been a long journey. It's been a very long journey. We have tackled our debt. We had to go through some and dance through a lot of hoops to get the house in my name, solely in my name, so that we could sell it. All right. All right, that takes care of the trash. I'm going to go fuel up, and we are going to hitch up. The campsites are pretty short, and at least in the section that I'm in, even though we fit in the site great and we can park next to it, when it's time to hitch up, I'm kind of sticking out in the road, and that's going to be a pain in and of itself, because you're blocking traffic and you want to hurry up and get it done, but being in a hurry can always lead to mistakes, and that's not what I want. Okay, you're on speaker.
All right, you're good.
All right, I'm backing up. Let me know when to stop.
Stop. And there's no blocks on the other side, correct?
There's none on the other side. Put them in the dog box. Just throw them in there, it don't matter. Just make sure that thing's locked and shut.
It is. Okay, I'm going to go to the other side. Okay, go ahead. Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you.
I'm going to stand by the post, okay?
Okay. I'm not going to be able to see you soon.
Honey, your wheels are kind of at it, that are like in line with us, so keep going. You can keep going.
Okay. I might have to back up and angle it more to get around this truck.
You're fine.
Am I at it yet?
Yeah, you're just past the post.
So I'm already.
Your wheels are anyway.
I'm not worried about the wheels. I'm worried about the bumper.
Yeah, you're good. You're not even close to it right now.
Okay. Am I at it yet?
Yeah, it's right in the back.
Okay. I might have to back up a little bit just to angle it more.
Hey, you're coming away from the
I know.
post.
I know, but I will be hitting it closer this time.
You're fine. Looking good. You're good. You're clear. You're fine.
Am I clearing it?
Yep. You're totally fine.
Okay. Well, then, as soon as I get straight, come on in. All right.
We're good.
All right. Come on. That was a pretty good shakedown trip.
It was. It went very well.
Yeah, that's not bad for a shakedown trip. That's probably the longest shakedown trip we've ever taken.
Well, the furthest. Normally we don't do it that way.
Usually we go to a little campground that's close to home, Oak Hollow Campground in High Point, and that's usually our shakedown zone. But this was not bad. We were invited by Our State magazine to come down for an interview, and was really the main motivation of this trip. And we enjoyed Southport,
Love
Wilmington,
Southport.
and all of that.
What was funny is it started raining last night, and we decided we were going to watch a movie. And what movie did we find in the cabinet? Safe Haven. Filmed in Southport.
That was filmed in Southport.
And we saw a lot of the sights from the movie. Like, we ate lunch where his store was in Safe Haven.
Yeah.
That's where we ate lunch. And we saw where his house was, that kind of thing. You don't see her house, and where the fire was, of course, is gone.
Yeah, they burnt that whole thing down.
But it was really fun to get to put all that together, which we've been to Southport before. I adore it. We've discovered kind of that a key to coming here is to come in the shoulder season. It's, to me, just my personal preference. It's if you're looking purely at a beach. It's a very nice beach, but the parking's horrible. So I really wouldn't come here for that. I would prefer to go to the Outer Banks if I was just going to go to the beach. But there's so many wonderful things in such a close proximity. It's a great destination to come in shoulder season. So I think that's the secret sauce to enjoy in Holden Beach, Wilmington, Southport area.
Yeah. One of the things that we do to raise money for our channel is we sell these beautiful prints of places that we've been before that people use in their decorating for their home or their camper. We're going to do something a little bit different. Even though Western North Carolina is not in the news anymore, there's a lot of recovery efforts still going on, and they still need a lot of help. So this particular picture of Lake Lure from Chimney Rock from before Hurricane Helene hit, that is on our website right now, and anyone that's willing to make a donation to help Western North Carolina will receive a print of this particular photo. So if you want to do something to help out Western North Carolina, this is one thing that you can do and get something in return. So go to thecampercouple.com and you'll see all the information that you need to make your donation there.